Good morning. Good morning. In this class, we discuss about the data warehousing. What is the use of data warehousing? Um, Data warehousing is nothing but the business analyst framework. Business analyst framework. Suppose we are going to run the business means the business. How will you run? Okay, now, how will you analyze that business? Okay, now, so another one more important is business productivity. Okay, they improve the business. Okay, now, third point is the customer relationship management, the automated. So this is for the need for the data warehouse. Why we are going to need that way? Data warehouse is nothing but the business analysis framework, then business productivity, then customer relationship management. Hmm. Each okay. Nowadays, each company should maintain a own database. Okay. For example, a company is a bank or banking is having a own database. Okay. The online shopping company is having a own database. So for its own business purpose, they are making. What they did in that, they store the day-to-day operations. Okay. They store the day-to operations. It's a online transaction process. The day-to-day operation is called the online transaction processing. That is called the OLTP. Next, why the companies are maintaining the two database? Okay, now. So the company why they are maintaining two database? Now one is here. Okay, now. So run the business. One is for the to run the business. To another one is for the analytic the process. First one is called the run the business. And second one is called the analytical processing. First one is for run the business is online transaction processing. That is a day-to-day transaction, OLTP. The second one is online analytical processing. Okay, that is called the OLAP. Okay. Look at this diagram. So we are run the business from the different data location, the different data source. Okay. So this is a different data source. What they know this all data are stored into the one centralized system. Okay, centralized system. Okay, that is called the data. That is the centralized data. How we are going to store this data? Using okay, now, okay. Look at this diagram. Data are moved from the OLTP to OLAP using ETL tools. So what happened here means we look at this previous diagram. Okay, we gather the information from the different locations. Okay, and this data are stored into the one data. So the data is called the OLTP. That OLTP stored into the OLAP server or as a data warehouse servers. Okay, each company will maintain their own database purpose. One is running the business. Okay, OLTP, current data. One other one is analyze the business OLTP, history of data. Okay, you look at this diagram. What is it can store in the ETL tool? What the ETL tool? What is the data are moved from the OLTP and OLTP using the ETL tools? What the ETL means extraction, transformation, role. So before going to store the data, what we are going to do means doing the ETL tool, we the information is whatever information fetch from the different data source. The data are the ETL tool using the pre-processing operations. Okay, after that you can store into the data warehouse server. Okay. These are the some example ETL tools are Informatica, Talent, MongoDB, MySQLs. Okay, these are the some examples for the ETL tools. Another, what are the reporting tools? Various reporting tools. What the use of reporting? So after storing into the data warehouse, the end of number of end users there, number of customers there. Okay, based on customer, their reporting tools are they're using. What are the various reporting tools are? Tabula, ClickView, Microsoft Azure, Google BigQuery. These are the reporting tools. So whatever you can run the business mean okay, the business is based on okay, so customer. Okay, finally you get the report from the customer. Okay, so these tools we are using. So I repeat once again, what is the various ETL tool means? So Informatica, Talent, MongoDB, MySQL, these are the ETL tool. What is the purpose of the ETL solution? That is for the pre-processing the operations. Okay. Now comparison between the OLTP and OLAP. OLTP means online transaction process. OLAP means online article process. One is run the business. OLTP is run the business day-to-day operations. Okay. Another one is OLAP is called the analyze the business. Okay. Now, so what are the parameters you have to follow? There are various parameters you have to follow. The comparison between processes, characteristics, users, access, query, number of users, data sets, response rate. For example, first one is a we know OLTP process based on process. So it's a transaction is a data operation. It's a retrieve the information. It's an alternate purpose only. What are the characteristics? It's a operational processing. That is called the information. Operational processing means we have run the business. Only the information process means what are the data are available. That information we gathering. That is called the information processing. It's a reporting purpose working in OLTP. Users, who are the users for the OLTP users? Clerk and database administrator. That's the day-to-day operation. That's why the users. Here is a manager and executive analyst to analyze the business. To manager and executive of the analysts are to analyze the business. That's why these are the user. What is the access means? Your OLTP is only for read and write. Okay, now OLAP is analyze the business. So mostly they are using read-only operations. Next, query. What are the queries you are using? Insert query, update query, and delete information from the database. So mostly they are using the select query. Only the fetching the data. Only this the need only for select operation. Okay, number of users. How many users are there? Now here 1,000 users are there. OLAP is only analytic purpose. No, less number of users there. Database is very less for the OLTP. That means 100 MB to the GB. OLAP is 100 just to terabytes. Compared to response time, this response time is in millisecond, response time is in seconds. Why now you are making the big database now? That's why it takes more time. Okay. What is now compute count? What is the definition of data? Database is nothing but the subject oriented, integrated, time variable, non-variable. What is in the subject oriented? Subject oriented, who is the customer, supplier or product or what is the that is called the product. What is the domain? Subject oriented, which domain we are going to do the that warehouse, supplier or production or sales, distribution instead of subject oriented. Integrated means we fetch the data from the different locations. For one location, fetch the data from the supplier, another location, for example, Chennai. One location there, Mumbai one location there, Delhi one location there. So these are the doing some other operation. We have integrated from the multiple source to analyze the business. Next one is time based. You have to going to calculate time based. You have to calculate. How will you time based means you have to alternate purpose means we need the report for the 0 to 3 months, January to March month, or 5 to 10 years report. You have to this step up. You have to go into analysis. So another one said non-batteries. Mostly they are using the how the performance. Okay, mostly they are using the access. How we access that is called the mostly they are using the read operation. So nothing data was nothing but the subject oriented and integrated time oriented, integrated time variant and non-variant. Thank you, sir.